suitcase. So you can draw the suitcase. You can make it out of paper. And then again, just add your faces to it, the faces that you've created in your classroom, and use it again as a daily emotional check-in. So you make your own mini emotion suitcase using paper or craft supplies. Let the kids draw or paste feeling faces inside. Each day they can pack how they're feeling. It's great. It's a creative, fun, and encouraging way to encourage children to reflect on what happens inside them. Another easy activity is drawing. Ask your children to draw their face and color it to match how they're feeling. Red for anger, blue for sadness, yellow for joy. Then add a sentence like, I feel happy when I play with my cousin. This builds both emotional and language skills. Another great way to support emotions is have some feelings puppets that talk. So use simple socks or puppet paper bag, felt, and you make a nice puppet. Have the children create their own puppet with their socks, with felt. Very easy to do, and that's their own personal feelings puppet that they have in their classroom. A bonus idea for parents and teachers. So at school, in your classroom, create a feelings corner. And at home, you can do the same thing as well. And they know that's the place that they go, that's the corner that they go to when they're feeling their big emotions. And that's the place that they're able to breathe in and breathe out and come back when they're ready. Thanks for being here with me. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more read-alouds, SEL activities, and early childhood strategies. You can also find my big suitcase of emotions on Amazon, Barnes & Nobles, or wherever books are sold. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.